Hi all, today I want to talk about backing up your WordPress website easily and free of charge. So the first thing we need to do is to create an account with Google if you've not already done so. So to create an account, when you first do it, you'll probably see sign in or create an account. So just create an account with Google, which will give you a Gmail or a Google Mail account or an email address if you like, and a password. So once you've created them, you need to sign in. I'm just going to sign in with mine because I've already created an account. So I'm just going to sign in. Okay, so once you've signed in, you'll see there you've got your Gmail, that's your Google Mail that you've now created, and also along here you can see Google Apps. So if you click on Google Apps, you'll now see you've got a drive. So that's Google Drive, which is Google Cloud storage basically. So if you click on it, it'll tell you there you've got 15 gigabytes of space free of charge. Whoopie-doo! So what we need to do now is to back up our WordPress website into that Google Drive. Okay, so you can access it from wherever you are basically. So just log into your website dashboard. So go to your website /WP dash and admin. Okay, once you've done that, hit enter, and then put your login details in to access your WordPress dashboard. So I shall put my details in there. Okay, so once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, what you need to do is to install a plugin. So I'll scroll down to plugins and hover over it and click on add new. Right, so once that's opened up, just click in the search plugins here, which is this one here, click in there and just type in Updraft, all one word, Updraft, and then you'll see a plugin called Updraft WordPress Backup. Click on install now, click on activate, and once it's activated, there you go, you'll see it's there. So if you look at the top, in the black bar at the top, you'll see your Updraft has now been added into your bar at the top. Hover over it, click on settings, scroll down, and then you'll see here you've got Google Drive. So this is where you want to send your backup for your WordPress website. So it's free of charge and it's stored in your Google Cloud, so you can get it from anywhere. So just basically click on that, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Okay, now you'll see that you selected remote storage, which needs authorization to set up complete. So just click on Sign in with Google. Click on Terry Roberts or whatever your Google would be, and it would say it wants access to your account, which is this here and this here. Just click on Allow, and it will give you a link. This button here, complete this. Press this button to complete setup. So click on that button, and it will now take you back to your dashboard. So once you've done that, all you need to do is click on Backup Now. And I want to tick all of these, going to want to save everything, and click on Backup Now. It's now backing up my WordPress website onto my Google Drive. So it's now stored in my Google Cloud. So once that's finished, I'll show you. It's quite a big website, so once it's finished backing up, I'll come back. So that's now backed up to your Google Drive. So once that's done, just click on Close, and as you can see in your existing backups here, you've got one which was created today, and you can either restore it from there or delete it. So if you have any problems, just go into Updraft Plus, click on Backup and Restore, scroll down, you'll see that you've got a restore there, so a backup there. So if you just click on restore, that'll restore your website to how it was when you created that backup. So every time you change your website, just click on go into here, click on delete because you want to delete that, and then back it up again. So you've got up-to-date backups all the time. I hope that helps, and if you do like it, click on like and subscribe for more details, and thanks for watching.